so get around.
Hi my lovely, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here today. I'm just gonna go around and do a bit of cleaning this morning, and it's a Monday morning and I'm kind of trying a new system that I thought I would share with you. So I'm just gonna do my usual kind of morning chores, which is obviously making the bed. I'm gonna tidy a bit in the kitchen, like the dishes from this morning. I have to empty the dishwasher, things like that, just kind of my usual routine. And also kind of tidy the toys in the living room a little bit. So that's what I usually do on a morning. And then this week I'm going to try something a bit different to see how it works. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to stick with this, but I'm gonna give it my best, because I just feel like sometimes I get a bit overwhelmed with kind of the amount of cleaning that I feel like I clean all the time and it's still not done, and there's still things that I would love to do and I can't find the time for because I'm either working or anyway, you probably know the struggle. So what I thought of doing is, aside from these kind of routine quick chores that I do in the morning, I am going to try each day of the week, so Monday to Friday, to do one room, or kind of a few rooms combined if they're smaller ones, and do for 30 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer and do for 30 minutes just kind of the tasks that I've been meaning to do, like maybe reorganizing my drawers or cleaning out the kitchen cupboards, or just kind of things like that that I don't regularly get to on a daily basis. And the thing is, sometimes I try to do my cleaning at the weekend, so I think I'm just gonna do that on a Saturday when I have more time. But then I don't, because I realized that the weekends we actually do quite a lot of like family things, me with my son and my husband, so I don't get the time to actually clean on a Saturday or a Sunday, or not very often. Sometimes I do, but we usually go into London, go to farms, go to parks, and I just don't get a chance to do it. And I do want to prioritize family time at the weekend, so I don't want to cut down on that at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try on Monday to do kitchen. So for 30 minutes I'm just gonna tackle the kitchen and do as much as I can. And my kind of thought process is, I've heard this before from other kind of cleaning methods, is that once you start doing this regularly, you actually are more on top of things, and it takes you less time to do all of those tasks, if it's kind of regularly kept clean. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. I'm going to tackle the kitchen. It's a Monday, and that's because we get our food shop on a Monday usually, so I want to clean the fridge, clean the cupboards a bit, things like that. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. Then I think on Tuesday I'm going to do bedrooms, so I'm going to do our bedroom and my son's bedroom. Now 30 minutes is not going to be enough to do everything, but I'm going to try each week, just to kind of tick some things off, like maybe cleaning my wardrobe, cleaning drawers, cleaning my son's wardrobe, things like that. And then also doing dust and hoover, which usually doesn't take very long anyway. Also changing the sheets, so that's gonna be a Tuesday. Then Wednesday I'm gonna do living room. On Thursdays I'm gonna do hallway, stairs, linen cupboard. We have this under the stairs cupboard where we keep some things in storage, like shoes, so I'm gonna do that on Thursdays as well. And then Fridays is going to be bathrooms, so we have 3 bathrooms. We have the ensuite, the actual bathroom upstairs, and then we have a toilet downstairs too. So I'm just gonna try to kind of quickly clean those. So I don't know, maybe it's a bit optimistic to get all of that done in 30 minutes, but I'm not expecting to get necessarily everything done in every room. So I'm just gonna give it a go, and I will try to make these videos regularly so that I can show you how it's going. Maybe I'll do a video for each room. You guys can let me know what you think. But yeah, today's Monday, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my chores, make the bed, things like that, and then I'm gonna move into the kitchen and tackle that a bit more.
There's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to
Okay, so I've all finished it upstairs. I took us down Victor's blinds as well. Let me know if you guys do the same now that it's summer. But here in the UK, I actually wasn't used to this because in Romania it doesn't get bright as early in the morning, but here I feel like at 5 a.m. or even before that it's already bright outside, so I have to put on blinds for him. And even when we put him down to sleep at night, he's always like, well, it's still sunny outside, it means it's not bedtime. So I do have to kind of put the blinds in his room to help with that. So we got blackout blinds. It's just a random one we found on Amazon. I think it's by Tommy TP. I'll try to link it if I remember, but yeah, that's what we've been using in the summer. In the winter we don't need it, but in the summer it's definitely necessary. So all of that upstairs took me maybe 5 minutes to do, like 2 minutes each room. It didn't take long at all. So I'm just gonna go around and tidy the dishes from this morning. So I'm just gonna empty the dishwasher, put those away, and then I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes to do everything else in here. So I'm gonna see how it goes.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
Okay, dishes are all put away, so that's really good. I'm gonna move on to put on my timer for 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna go kind of clockwise, so I'm gonna start with the fridge, and I think that's what I'm gonna do every Monday. I already kind of do that anyway. So on Monday we get our food shop, which means I want to clean out the fridge, even just a little bit, to make sure, you know, there's not anything spoiled in there, and just kind of give it a quick clean. And I'm gonna use the Osmo fridge and microwave cleaner for that. So I'm just gonna do that really quick, and then so that's going to be ready for when the food shop arrives later. I think I'm gonna do microwave, and then I've got down there, I think I want to organize that a bit. So I've got the area where I keep potatoes and onions and things like that, so really want to clean that. And then I'm just gonna move on like this way and see how much I can reorganize, like the snack cupboards, everything like that. I don't know how much I can do in just 30 minutes, but I think if I do this every week, it might get, you know, more manageable in time. So that's my plan anyway.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So that snack cupboard is looking so much better, and then also in here, like you probably saw, it was pretty gross under the onions. So that's a lot better, and all of his kind of crafts, like Victor's crafts and activity things, I feel like I kept moving them around, but I do want to kind of make one spot for all of them, which I think I'm gonna do in our under the stairs cupboard, so that we can have all of them in one place. Like I had a few down there, I have a few in a cupboard up there, I have a few on there. So it's just all over the place, and I kind of want to put them all in one spot. And I think that's a really good tip if you're trying to kind of declutter and reorganize your home, is to have a spot for everything and keep everything in one place, like that belongs in that same category. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm going to do that, you know, over the next few weeks. So I finished kind of, you know, fridge, microwave, and that side of the cupboards in 30 minutes. It was my timer went off, and I kind of kept going for another 2 minutes or so, just because I was in the middle of this cupboard. And then next time I'm gonna, like next week, I'm gonna tackle these up there. And obviously I don't have to do all of the cupboards every single week, because they don't get as bad every single week. So I'm hoping this kind of gradual thing will work. We'll see. But I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm back from the school run, and I was actually going to film a grocery haul today of what we get in our Tesco food shop, but they actually came while I was doing the school run. They arrived early, so my husband just put it away, which I'm not gonna take everything out so I can film it. But I am going to show you my meal plan for the week. This is my meal plan for next week. So I've got tandoori chicken naans. I'm gonna try to link all of these recipes if I can find them online. Some of them are from Tesco, some of them like Tesco magazines, some of them are from HelloFresh that I've had for a while. And then I'm gonna do warm roasted lentil salad, and this is with aubergine and sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, ciabatta bread, so it's just a really nice salad. Then I'm gonna do a mushroom, bacon and mange tout risotto. This is a really lovely recipe as well that we love to have. Then I'm gonna do chicken tacos, and then these are bean fritters with coleslaw and some rice on the side. So that's gonna be the 5 dinners that we're gonna have this week. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you what I cook for dinner tonight. Okay, so I'm getting started on dinner because this is going to take a little while to do the risotto. So I'm just gonna use this recipe that I have from HelloFresh. I've had this for a while, and we make it so often because we just love it so much. So I am going to need, I'm going to show you what I use. I don't actually have a leek. I'm going to use something else instead. I have a shallot. I'm going to link actually the recipe below because they do have it on their website in case you want to recreate it. I'm going to use a shallot, 1 garlic. I have the mange tout bacon. I'm just going to use 1 bit of this. Then I have some mushrooms. I actually have frozen mushrooms, so I'm going to use these up. Not all of them, maybe like a quarter of this. Then I've got some vegetable stock pot, I've got arborio rice, olive oil, parsley, salt and pepper. Oh, and a bit of cider vinegar, I have to get that out. And then some Parmesan cheese if you want to grate that on top at the end. Yeah, so I am going to get started on this. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just heating up this pot. So I'm popping in the vegetable stock cube and 750 milliliters of water, and this I'm just gonna bring to a boil so that it dissolves, and then that's it. That's my stock that I'm gonna use to cook the rice in. Okay, so my risotto is done. This is what it looks like. It's so delicious. I really like having this once in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And I think I'm gonna do like a series of all the cleaning days so you can see what I get done each day. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye guys.